Well, good morning. Welcome to your 8:15 daily operations weather briefing. We have really nice conditions out there this morning for late July. Low humidity levels, temperatures bottoming out last night in the upper 50s across the Mid-Atlantic region. So very nice conditions to start your day and your work week. We actually tied a record low temperature last night at 58 degrees here at Wallops. That was a tie from 1981. So typical low temperatures we saw last night of late September, early October. So very nice conditions and a nice reprieve from the heat that we've seen the last few days. Across the Mid-Atlantic region this morning, we do have area high pressure ridging in from the west. We have a stationary boundary off the Carolina coast along the Gulf Stream. Also, we have newly upgraded Tropical Storm Emily just off the Florida Gulf Coast region. That's going to continue to move over the over Florida today, and then off the coast over the Gulf Stream the next few days, not really affecting our region other than a little bit of cloudiness across the region. But overall for today, we'll just have high pressure in control, giving us very nice conditions. Temperatures topping out today in the 80s. But from our observation page this morning, we do have northwesterly winds giving us a fairly nice low humidity type of atmosphere, and also quickly warming, as we do have those lower humidities allowing for the air mass to warm fairly easily this morning, seeing temperatures already rising up into the upper 60s. Going to see our temperatures, I mentioned, topping out in our lower 80s today. Have a little bit of cloudiness off the north and west with some cirrus. That's going to be moving through our region for the afternoon. We'll also see a little bit of fair weather cumulus clouds build up for the afternoon hours today. So for our current conditions as of 8 a.m. this morning, we do have a few clouds at 25,000 feet, unrestricted visibilities. Our wind is a 310 azimuth or northwest at 3 knots. We have a temperature at 67 degrees, and our humidity level was at 74% this morning. Looking at our risk chart for today, we have green across the board for all of our risks, as we'll have high pressure in control, as I mentioned, no chance of precipitation, no chance of lightning. Winds will be well under 25 knots today, and all of the risks will be in the green today. We have northwesterly winds I mentioned this morning. They'll turn more northerly for the late morning into the early afternoon hours. The sea breeze moving onshore will turn more onshore for the afternoon hours, seeing a northeast wind and becoming southeast. We'll see a southeast wind topping out today at 7 to 12 knots during the afternoon hours into the early evening hours for our Monday. Seeing a high temperature today at 82 degrees. Locations just inland from the coast could see a degree or two warmer, maybe 83 or 84 around Salisbury up to the central portions of the Delmarva Peninsula today. Overnight tonight, we'll see high pressure continuing to build into the region. Going to see our winds becoming more southwesterly overnight to westerly, but light. So that'll allow our temperatures to once again bottom out into the cooler temperature range of the mid-60s. For this time of year. Could see even a couple low 60s in the inland portions of the Mid-Atlantic region, but here at Wallops, those mid-60s are just about average for this time of year, seeing our average temperature in the upper 60s, so just a few degrees below average. Our 24-hour terminal forecast for today, we'll currently have a few clouds at 25,000 feet. This afternoon we'll pick up a few clouds at 5,000 feet. Also continuing to see those few clouds at 25,000 feet. Later on this afternoon, we'll see a few clouds at 6,000 feet, a few clouds at 25,000 feet. A slight chance we see some scattered clouds at 6,000 feet and scattered clouds at 25,000 feet. A little bit more cloudiness with that sea breeze moving onshore. That's just a slight chance, anywhere from about 1,400 local to 1,800 local today. And then after that, towards the evening hours, we'll just have a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Tonight will be clear, and by tomorrow morning, we'll just have a few clouds at 25,000 feet. Our tides are still slightly above normal at a half to 1 foot above normal, with the continued onshore flow we had this weekend still allowing those tides to be a little bit above normal. So looking for our extended outlook for Tuesday into Wednesday. We'll see Tuesday mostly sunny to partly cloudy, very slight chance of an afternoon pop-up shower or thunderstorm as the area high pressure moves off the coast. We'll have increasing humidity levels and warmer temperatures, a high of 87 degrees. Looking at a chance of pop-up shower or thunderstorm anywhere from about 5 to 10%, so slight, but can't rule out a sea breeze type pop-up shower or thunderstorm for Tuesday. And Tuesday night, we'll have partly to mostly cloudy skies and humid conditions, a low of 70. And for Wednesday, very similar conditions we'll see on Tuesday. Partly cloudy, very slight chance of an afternoon pop-up shower or thunderstorm, running at anywhere that 5 or 10%. I can't rule it out, with a high of 86 degrees. Well, that's going to complete our 8:15 daily operations weather brief. We'll be back at 10 o'clock for our extended outlook into the week.